panel discussion. I am Rajendra here from APSSDC. Now we are discussing so far strings. Yesterday we have seen some programs on the strings, how to read the strings and how to display the strings. Second one, some string handling function also we have seen, and by using the string handling function and without using the string handling functions, we have designs of programs. Today also we'll go for some of the programs. So first of all, I'll write how to declare the strings and how to initialize the strings. Syntax for the declaring the strings. First, use a character array to declare the strings. Already we have aware of that one. That is character array, char data type. Use any valid C identifier here. That is identifier. Square brackets and size of the array. This is declaration of the strings. Declaration of strings. Here the use the character array to declare the strings. Example, char s of 20. Char s of 20. Here the size specifies the maximum number of characters in the string name. Here the size specifies the maximum number of characters in the string. So the moment whenever we have created, this is the creating the string array, means character array. One character array S is created, starting these are the subscripts up to, so size is 20 means we started, index starts from 0, so last one is 19. So always array index starts with the zeros. This is the S. Next to one is, if you want to locate the next one is, that is S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3 and at last S plus 19. So this is one array is created and initially it contains the garbage values. Garbage values. Here the size of the array is 20. Size of the array is 20. Starting address is base address is here S. Base address is S. S is the first of the first location. First location. S plus 1 is the second location. Okay. This is called base address. Address of the first location is called base address. Address of the first location is called base address. Next we go for the, this is a declaration of the string. Now we go for the initialization of the string. Initialization of the string. Syntax for the initializing the string. Just any data type. So we go for only character only. Character, char, any valid identifier, a string name, identifier, empty brackets equal to name of the string. Within double quotes you have to write name of the string. This is the initialization of the character array. Initialization of the character array. So what is the example of the character array is example char, any name we already gave here, within double quotes you just write char yes empty brackets equal to, you just give within the double quotes. Within the double quotes you can give the whenever you have, this is the initialization of the initializing the string. I am initializing the string directly, I am initializing, no need to read from the keyboard. So the moment whenever this statement is executed, so automatically name is stored into the array. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the initialization of the string. So instead of like this, you can also give r char s equal to r a j e n. In a single character also we can give. This also can be given, but by giving this is a lengthy process, so better is this is recommended. This is recommended. You can also give either like this, or you can go for a single character representation also can be given. Next, I want to declare something like this. Char s semicolon, it is error. It is error because size must be given here. While you are declaring the array, size must be given. Error due to size. Size must be given while we are declaring the array. Okay, so you can give like this also. Char 5, it is a valid, or char of a of 5, a of I, these are all are the valid where I contains some value. Also you can give char a of within single quotes a, this is also valid. Char a of 65. Okay. So you can also give like this. The meaning of this one is a of 65. ASCII value of a is 65. So you can also give this a. Okay. I want to give like this also. Char a 2 plus 3. It is also valid. It is also valid. So I want to give like this, a minus 2. So subscripts minus should not be minus, contain the negative. Subscripts it is error because subscripts should not contain the cannot be negative. Subscripts cannot be negative. Next, I want to give another way. Char A of, it is also error, and cannot be a string. It cannot be a string. Next, char A of 2. This is not a array. Array always starts with a square brackets, but not the parentheses. It represents that methods, functions. Okay. Next, so we understood. Next, accessing the strings. Accessing the strings, we can access in two ways. We can access in two ways. First one is using subscripts. Second one is using addresses. There are two ways we can access the first one is using subscripts. Second one is using addresses. So, by using subscripts, example is char A, so where A of I indicates character at subscript I. If I equal to 0 means R represents. If A of 3 means character at subscript 3. Character at subscript 3. A of 2 means character at subscript 2. A of 3 means character at subscript 3. Example, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here the name of the string is A. Okay. A of 2 means subscript at character at subscript 2, that is J. Okay. A of 3 is character at subscript 3, character at subscript 3, that is E. Okay. Next, this is by using the subscript. Second, we go for using the addresses. Using addresses. Using addresses. Star plus A plus I or A plus 1. The meaning of this one is character at address A plus 1 is character at A plus 1. That is, first character is base address, second one is A plus 1, next one is A plus 2, means here A. Okay. This is, there are two ways to we can access the strings. So we write one example program based on the strings, so that we will understand better. Display a string without using printf and scanf. Display string without using printf and scanf. So we'll write one program, void main beginning of the main method, main function, char a of 10, so creating an array of size 10. So variable I, for indexes point of view, I am creating another variable, that is I. I am asking the user puts enter any string. Next, gets of a this is reading the string. We use the gets. So better use the gets than the scanf. While you are reading the strings, better to use gets function. Now I have to read the strings, okay. Now I want to display without using the printf, on the monitor. So for that I have to use this is the logic to display string without printf. Without printf function, we are writing the one logic. First, use one loop where I starts from index starts from 0. We know that up to how many times. So a of I is not equal to \0 because end of this string is \0 semicolon I plus plus. So this is the loop. Now enter the loop. So I need to print each character, that is put char of a of I. This is end of the loop. To go to the next line, I am writing the put char \n. Next, end of the main method. So first what we are creating one array. Just one array is created. First Ravi or Rama. Ram. This is one string is there. This name of the string is, that is A. Name of the string is A. So starting characters are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the string. Now I want to display string without using the printf. So so first, where I start from 0 to size minus 1. A of I means what? A of 0 means R is not equal to backslash 0, which is true. Condition becomes true. Put char A of I. A of I means 0. R is displayed on the screen. R is displayed on the screen. This is output now we are getting. R. Next iteration, I plus plus means I becomes 1. I plus plus, I becomes 1. Next put char of A of 1. A of 1, that is A. So next iteration, Ram. Okay. Next iteration, it becomes false, control comes out of the for loop, which becomes false. The moment whenever the condition becomes false here, immediately control comes out of the for loop. Put char next line. Put char next line. This is the logic to display string without using the printf function. So okay. Next we write another program joining the two strings. Joining the two strings. Display joining the two strings. Joining the two strings. Joining the two strings we are writing here. First char A 10, B 20, 10, C 20. C 20. Create 3 arrays of size 10, 10, 20. Int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0. Printf enter first string, enter a string, enter a string. Next, once it is entered, now we need to read gets of A. We are reading the string into A. Okay. Next, printf enter second string, enter second string, enter second string. So next it is enter second string, use gets of B, gets of B. So this is now for A is this one, next to B Charan 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Of size is this is 10, last is 9, this is also last is 9. Next, created another array also, that is 20, 0 to 19. This is C array. So now we read the two strings. Now we need to join into third array. For that we are writing the logic here. After this one I am writing the continuation. I am writing the continuation here. Printf joining the two strings. Joining the strings. Joining the two strings. Continuation here. Two strings are %s, comma, that is a str a comma b, a comma b, str a comma b, joining the two strings. This is joining the two strings. Get ch, okay, means the meaning of this one is which joins the two strings. Joins the two strings. This is the joining of the two strings, a simple program. Now we write the another program for the strings. Generally we get this program in some interview point of view also. Displaying the strings rotation way, rotations of the strings, displaying all the rotations of the strings, all the rotations of the string. So you should include the string.h here, hash include string.h. While you are calling any string handling functions, you must include the header file, that is string.h. So next, char a of 20. One array is created of size 20. Next, int I semicolon. So here I am using one prototype, function prototype, void rotate, char star, comma, int. It is nothing but a function prototype, which we are going to see in the functions. What is functions? Okay. First, printf enter any string, enter any string, enter any string. So how to read the string? That is simple, gets of a, gets of a. Next, once we read the value, next we are writing the printf printf rotation is for I equal to 0, I less than a of I not equal to backslash 0, I plus plus. I plus plus. So now we are calling the function rotate. I am sending the a comma I. The meaning of this one is the address, base address. This is the index. So now I am going to write the function for rotate now. I am going to define the function for rotate now. So, so rotate function I am going to write here. Void rotate, so here I am creating one pointer. Here I am creating one pointer a comma int I, beginning of the function, int j for j equal to I semicolon, j less than or equal to string length strlen. It is a predefined function, string length minus 1. String length of which function? Which array? A. String length of a, this I will write one bigger, it may not be visible. strlen of a minus 1 j plus plus. Next, put care of a of j. Next, for j equal to 0, j less than or equal to I minus 1 j plus plus. Put care of a of j. This is the rotating the of strings. So you can use this function. This is one of the program. Next we write the initialization of the string in one dimensional array. We will write one program. How to initialization of one dimensional array. Initialization initialization of string, initialization of a string in a 1D array. Initialization of a string in 1D array. Now we write that program. Void main char a equal to R A V I comma \0. It is optional. If you don't give the \0 also, no problem. So simply also you can give. So next size, printf array is array as follows. Array as follows. First we have to use a here loop, because each character we have to process. For I didn't mention here, so better I have to create one I. So here I cannot create I, something like this leads to error. So it is allowed in C++ but not in C. Wherever you want, you cannot create the variable. It is allowed in C++ and Java but not in C. So first, before using the I only, we must declare it. I equal to 0, first index value is 0, I less than string length strlen of a I++. This is one way, or else you can write something like this, or a of I is not equal to \0. This is also okay. But I want to write this time like this. So next, printf percentile. What is the format specified to print a character? That is %C. %C and a of I. %C a of I, that is a of I. Next, get ch, end of the main method. So first what happens here, into char a of Ravi. Char a of Ravi. First, whenever this statement is created, one array is created. That is a character array is created. So it is R A V I and \0 is created. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting address is A here, next address is A plus 1, next address is A plus 2, next address is A plus 3, A plus 4. So this is created. So where 0, 1, 2, 3 are represents the indexes or subscripts. These are addresses. So first printf array is as follows: I equal to 0, 0, printf see a of I, a of 0, that is r is printed. R is printed. Next iteration, I plus plus. I plus plus means I is incremented by 1. I is incremented by 1 means a of I means a of 1. A of 1 means here A. A is printed. A is printed. Next iteration V. Next iteration I. Okay. Whenever the control comes here and it which becomes false. So the moment it becomes false, control comes out of the looping statement. Get ch will see the output without pressing Alt F5. Okay. So I don't want to write here loop printf this for loop. How to write? There are another ways also we can write, that is without using a loop. You can, if you want to write, it's a long way, that is first printf percentile C that is A of I, sorry A, or you can write here A. If you write the C, it prints only R. If you write here percentile S, it displays the entire string. Okay. Next statement I am writing here printf percentile S A plus 1. The meaning of this one is it is printed away. It is printed away. Okay. Because we are writing from the addresses A plus 1 means AVI is printed. AVI is printed. If you write here percentile C A of I, that is A plus 1, it prints only A, it prints only A here. Okay. If you write here percentile U and A, it displays the address. It displays the address of the array. Address of the array, string array. It displays the address of the array. Generally address means here, address may be anything. Generally address are represented in the form of the hexadecimal forms. Okay. If you write something like this, A of 3, it displays only I. It displays only I. Okay. It displays only I. This is the initialization of the strings in 1D array. We have seen the strings in this concept. In the next concept, we go for the another concept, that is functions or pointers. We will see the in the next sessions. So please practice these programs. In the strings are there are please read the string handling functions and character handling functions. String handling functions, now just now we use the string length, string concatenation and a reverse of the string strrev, strlen, these are all are called the string handling functions. And also you just refer the read what are the character handling functions. Character handling functions are is upper, is alpha, is number, is lower case. Okay, these are all are character point of character wise we can handle the strings is called character handling functions. So these are very important in strings concepts. So please prepare and practice in your system. Thank you all. We will see in next session.